Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, real quick, let me know if you guys see a camera difference or a camera quality in this video, because I have a new camera set up and I think it might be a little better, so let me know that. Also, I don't know where to go. Also, man, we're still trying to give away this ring right here, and I'm still trying to figure out the focus on this camera. It's been a hassle and a half. Anyway, we got a gold nugget ring. If you guys get 2,000 thumbs up within the day, it's going away to one of you guys. Y'all been so close in the past, man, and I feel like maybe you guys just don't want it that much, so this will be the last chance before I go and take it to some gold shop and get, like, my money for the gold. I'm not gonna lie. But regardless, man, thanks so much for the support. Ugh, I was trying to get that out before I hiccup. Anyway, thank you guys so much for the support, man. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Thanks. Also, once again, let me know on the camera thing. I'm pretty stoked about it. And also, man, of course, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. It's our website, man. Link is down below if you guys want cool jewelry for real cheap. I pick out all the styles on the website. It's all the styles I think are dope that I think you guys would, you know, dig as well. It's the only part of the website I really have control of, and then other people take over. So trust me when I say what you're gonna find is dope. Also, everything's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. You can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping on NameBranFam.com. Once again, link is down below. Really do appreciate all you guys shopping that. It really helps with like videos and like beer funds. I'm not gonna lie, I spend most of it on videos, but it's also my beer fund money, so I appreciate you guys for that. No lies on this channel, man, you already know. Alright, man, let's get into the video. This is probably one of our most popular series right now. We do it about once a month, and what we're doing is the first part of a part 2 series. If you guys don't know how this goes, what we do is we go shopping online on my jewelry websites that, one, I can't afford jewelry from, so that's kind of like the fun part. It's trying to pick jewelry that we can somewhat afford, but also the most famous jewelry websites in the world, or at least rapper jewelry websites. We've done Icebox, we've done Johnny Dang, we did some other one that was a shit show, don't swear. Today we're doing BALLER. Everyone's been saying, Bran, you gotta check out BALLER. This dude, if you guys don't know, has done like jewelry for Drake, a lot for Kid Cudi, other rappers, just a lot. I pretend to know the rest of the names, but I didn't do research. I saw those 2 and I said, I'll remember those 2 and that's it. Anyway, man, we're shopping BALLER. The reason we do 2 parts is because this is a very expensive series. The first part we're doing today is shopping online, and the amount of love that we get on this video depicts how much money we spend on the website. So tomorrow when I come back to this video and I see a lot of love or not too much love, that's when I make my purchase. And then the next video we unbox it. So that's why it's a 2-part series. BALLER series. Let's start right now. Let's go shopping. I ain't never been on this website and I'm kind of scared because everyone says it's a lot of money, but there are some affordable pieces apparently. And we're freaking live, boys. All right, like I say, first time shopping on the website. I'm gonna tell you right now, if anything's gonna lag my computer, it's this thing right here. This video that's playing, very cool, it's nice. But anyway, so I guess his website's called Iffy, or like IF and Co. Stupid, what a dumb name. There's probably some really good reason. It's probably like his mom's initials, and now I sound like an ass. I'm trying to spend under $1,000 American today. Like I say, it's a 2-part series. This first part when I'm shopping online, the main reason I do it is 1, because I could like really talk to y'all, and I kind of like that, but 2, this part, because a lot of people watch throughout most of the video, I get like quite a bit of money from them, so it really helps to pay for what we're gonna buy. Right off the bat, bro, micro Jesus piece, diamondized, it's $750. It's in our price list starting at $750, okay, what? Diamond quality, there's diamond, diamond quality, VS diamonds for the eyes, he looks possessed. And also, I don't want it, what's micro mean? Oh, this is also the series where I just get really flustered at looking at how much I'm actually gonna spend. I knew I should have looked at the website first, man. But I can't because that's the whole part of it. I have to go into it blind. Just like this guy right here. It looks like he has cataracts. Those VS quality diamonds. Shut up. 750 bucks. What's the micro though? I'm trying to see how big that is. Oh, 0.7 inches tall. Oh, you can suck it. That's a fingernail, bro. All right. Maybe we won't go with a pendant. I'd love to get like some sort of something that like has their logo on it. Yeah, okay, the company. There we go. There we go. Fuck you. That's exactly what I wanted. What I was trying to say. VS. Oh yeah, there's a lot more diamonds. What I was trying to say is if I ever want to get rid of it in the future, I think more resell would be that it's actually from freaking BALLER. How do these rappers afford this, bro? I'm gonna start rapping about cats and dogs and stuff and get money. I don't know what I'm trying. I'm freaking baked. I'm sorry, guys. It's the only way I online shop. That's how I do all my purchases, which is why most of our videos suck. VS to SI diamonds. Don't put VS in front. VS is like a really nice diamond, by the way, if you guys are wondering. Micro, once again, it's probably the size of your damn pinky. Oh, you need to screw right off. That's stupid. We're buying something, maybe even by the end of this video. What is that? Rolled up dollar bill. Cool. Any smoke out of that or what? Oh, I don't want one of those. Rolled it. Oh, it's just it's just a $5,000 rolled up dollar bill. That's all it is. Oh, I really like this website actually. What do you do with it? Oh, I get it now. Okay, don't condone this. You're really balling if you're buying that. Okay, never mind. On to the next. Let's go chains. I hate on these websites, man, when they're mad expensive. There's no just like shop all, and then you can just go lowest to highest price. Do they have anything fake on here? Earrings. These ones right here that I have actually, these are bad quality. They're real diamonds. They're horrible quality. I wouldn't be opposed to getting new diamond earrings, but if we saw the price of the okay, $975, it's in our budget actually. What are they? Micro? They're the size of a baby toe's freaking baby toe. Those are kind of sick actually. I don't know if you guys want me to unbox diamond jewelry. I swear to God, leave a comment down below if I should start doing these live, because then we could actually, why didn't I do that? Because then we could actually, I could get your input. 14 karat yellow gold. You couldn't give me 18K for that, but that's fine. VS diamonds. Actually, I'm not too surprised about that price. It's still overpriced, but yeah, we should do these live. Who is this? Ben Baller. Ben Baller. Send me something or suck a big one for free. Send me something for free. Don't suck a big one for free. He'll never see this, but if he does, I'm going to look like an idiot. Love you, Ben Baller. I think you're a very talented individual. I just think your prices, man! Fudge! This is the one thing I just saw. I was like, I could actually wear that. I like diamonds on my stuff, but I will settle for just a regular gold ring if it's subtle, like I'm so cool. 18 karat yellow gold, can we switch that to 10 karat by any chance? No, we can't. 1,350 bucks. We need to get off this right now. Okay, cross jewelry. I'm not, myself, I'm not really a Jesus person, you know what I mean? Just cause like, Jesus, I should probably stop, has failed me many times. Let's just say that. But I guess I am a YouTuber by trade, so maybe big guy up there helped me out a little bit. But let's just say, ooh, that one, $7,000, $10,000. You need to suck it. $750. This is something we could afford for the video. It doesn't say micro. It doesn't say we might have a 1-incher here, boys. Sorry for my comment of God. I don't know why I did that. I know why I did that, because I get in deep discussion when I'm in this state, but I shouldn't. Online, where everyone will see. 950 bucks for another cross. Doesn't say micro, might be a good sign. This one might be a 1.5-incher. At that point, I'm happy with the 1.5-incher for once. You know what I mean? Usually I'm like, this might not be the best thing for my life. People might make fun of me in the shower at the gym. Right now, I don't know. I'll settle for 1.5 inches real quick. God, what are we doing? Oh, let's see how much your baby Jesus is. There's an angel. What the hell is that? It just doesn't even look good. Is he jacking off? Don't say that. Bad. No, he's praying. Ugh, don't say that. Okay, well, the angel is praying. Let's keep that in mind. What are you doing? Drop kicking a horse here? No, drop kicking a devil. That's kind of cool. What is this? A little sword? I don't think you're supposed to be fighting there, Angel. Should be a sword of love, if anything. Poor guy over here. I want a pendant of that guy. His wings are cooler. 2000. Oh, yeah, 2006. Damn it! I didn't look at the price. I thought I might buy one of those. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna drop kick something. May as well drop kick the devil, I guess. Bear. You can't have a whole section of bear pendants. You have a whole section of bear pendants. Okay, build a bear to the highest extent. $8,500. What'd you build that bear with? Hot girls. This is the only time I've spent $8,500 on Build-A-Bear. Oh, great. We can have $1,500 one. Paper thin. Keep in mind, he's got cataract eyes, though, bro. He's all Gucci. Those eyes are worth a little bit of money, but he's micro, too. He's the size of your frickin' pen tip, bro. Ain't nobody seeing it. Ain't nobody seeing anything on your neck. We got a snake here. Is that a dragon? $3,200. This is bad. How much time do we have on this? 10 minutes already. My God, we gotta smarten up. All right, we're going to, I don't know. We saw it, we have to spend a little more time, boys. I think I've just been, 40,000, you need to suck it. 8mm, that makes sense. 40,000. Dude, this is nuts. If y'all saw anything I went past, y'all let me know. Like I say, tomorrow is going to be the actual day. Once I see the love on this video and like your suggestions, that's the day when I'm going to be purchasing. It's a Saturday tomorrow, which means it'll hopefully ship on Monday, which means we hopefully $2,000. What are you? What is that? The Mona Lisa with the hood? Oh, that's Mary. That was so disrespectful. I'm very sorry. We'll find something, boys. We're going to be shopping BALLER pretty soon in unboxing. You guys let me know if you dig this series. I don't know, take a little nap and eat a bagel or something. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc the Game, the greatest of all time. Blow.